Do you really want to get rid of slow computer speed? Then you are at the right place. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to share some few methods that will help you to increase your computer speed. So before jumping into the video, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting further more time, let's get started. So to use those methods, we need to open command prompt. So write cmd and run this thing as administration mode. So the first command is disk cleanup. So this command helps to remove unnecessary files from the system, including temporary files and the system file that are no longer used. So how to write it? So the command is clean mgr. Click OK. And this is the unnecessary files that are no longer used. You can simply delete it from here. So the second method is disk fragmenter. This command helps to reorganize the files on the hard drive so that the system can access them more quickly. So what is the command? So the command is defrag space your C drive colon and /u/v. Now it's starting the defragmentation. So it successfully performed its task. So the third process is system file checker. This command checks for corrupted or missing system files and repair them if necessary. So what is the command? So the command is sfc/scan now. So it's starting scanning and check if there are any corrupted files or not, and if it's found any corrupted file, it will repair them automatically. So now it successfully complete its task. So the fourth process is use the task manager. Write the command here mgr and hit enter. So this is the task manager, and you can have a rough idea that how much memory is occupied by which process, and you can work accordingly. So let's say I just open Google Chrome here. So as you can see, Google Chrome is consuming 28.3% of CPU. So this can be a program you can remove from your task just by clicking end task. So now the process is clear. So the CPU and the memory unit comes to low. You can also open task manager just by right clicking on this section and click on task manager. Is as simple as that. So the fifth and the last process is use the misconfig command. So these commands allow you to control which program starts up when you boot your computer system. So the command is msconfig. So this window will appear like this, and you can use normal startup or diagnostic startup. So in case of normal startup, it's load all device drivers and services. In case of diagnostic startup, it's load the basic device and service only, which requires only to load this Windows system. So I recommend you to use this diagnostic startup if your computer is bit slow in respect to booting process. So that's pretty much about it. So that's the 5 process you can use in your computer system if your computer is a bit slow in order to performance. It will really help you to boost your computer's performance. That's it for this video. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you'll never miss any important update like this in the future videos. And if you like this video, also share to your friends and families. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.